Welcome back to Trippa Trading. In today's video, we're going to make trading a bit less complicated. I've got this amazing strategy to show you on TradingView. This strategy uses an advanced indicator that's like a secret weapon for your trades. But hey, I will not just show you the indicator. Stick around because I'm also going to share a super easy and crazy profitable scalping strategy, perfect for 1 minute and 5 minute time frames. So let's keep it simple and open our trading chart. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 5-minute time frame to explain this strategy. And also, we will be using Heikin Ashi candles for this strategy. I'll quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain everything in detail from the beginning. So first of all, let's add the first and main indicator of our strategy to our chart. For that, we will click on Indicators and we will search for Moving Regression Prediction Bands. And then add this one, created by TV Guide Tag. As you can see, this indicator is an editor pick. This is the indicator, and as you can see, it's overlaid on the price chart in the form of bands. It looks similar to Bollinger Bands, but it's different. It is actually a combination of Bollinger Bands, regression channel, and outlier detection methods. This indicator uses polynomial regression, which is a form of regression analysis that fits a nonlinear relationship between variables, because of which it can better describe the price movement, because we know the price never moves in a straight direction. If we have a look at this indicator, we can see in the middle we have this band, which changes color between green and red. It is built and based on moving regression. Then we have these upper and lower bands, which by default are placed at a distance of 2 standard deviation from the middle band based on a statistical principle. A multiplier value of 2 for the upper and lower bands corresponds to 95% prediction interval. In much simpler words, it means we can expect that the 95% of the price movement take place between these bands. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. Now let's access the indicator settings. In the settings, for the multiplier, we will change it to 3. By doing so, statistically, 99.7% of price will now move between the bands. So now, any sort of price movement out of the bands is very rare, and it can signal the price moving in an opposite direction. The creator of the indicator believes that when the price crosses above the upper band, it's a bullish signal, and it's a sign that the price is gaining momentum, and it's actually out of the previously predicted trend. And similarly, when the price crosses below the lower band, it's a bearish signal. Here is how we read this indicator. When the price closes below the lower band, it shows a red triangle. And when the price closes above the upper band, it shows a green triangle. There are some cases when the price crosses above the upper band, and we have an advance of the price after that. Or when the price closes below the lower band, and we have a decline of the price after that. But in practice, most of the times when the price reaches or goes beyond the bands, we have a reversal of the price, and the price goes back inside the band. You can clearly see that most of the time, this is the case. And the reason is the statistical principle behind this, which we have already discussed. So now we know one important thing, that whenever the price is moving above or below the band, it is whether in an overbought level or oversold level, and we have more probability to have the price reversing back inside the band. Now, by the help of this fact and the powerful statistical concept behind this indicator, I will show you a trading strategy that you can use to catch these movements. By the way, you can use this strategy in any market with high trading volume and liquidity, both in terms of the asset and exchange. Because this is a scalping strategy and we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bidding and asking prices that can damage our trade. So to complete our strategy, we will need to add another indicator to the chart. So we will open the Indicators tab again and search for Awesome Oscillator. After that, add this one, which is created by TradingView. Now our chart is completely prepared. So let's go through the rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. If you are looking for a free NFT or a portion of $1 million prize money, quickly check out the link below this video. You see, my favorite crypto exchange Bybit is celebrating its 5th anniversary and is therefore giving away awesome prizes, free NFTs, iPhones, and much more. Quickly press the link in the description. The celebration is due on 25 December, so don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for our indicator to give us a red triangle, just like it did here. Based on our strategy, this is not a sell signal. We consider it as a buy signal. We see this as an extreme level of the price, and we expect that the price will reverse back inside the bands. So after we get this signal, we will confirm it with the help of the awesome oscillator. In the case of buy trade, after we get the signal, we will wait to get the first green bar just like it did here. When the green bar is formed in awesome oscillator, we check the Heiken Ashi candle. If it's also green, we enter a buy position. If it's not green, the signal is rejected. So as all the rules are fulfilled, we can enter a buy trade here. The stop loss for this strategy will be placed above the previous swing low, and the take profit target will be set at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. I hope you guys have understood the rules of this strategy. Now let's go through another example. Here you can see the price closed below the lower band and we got a sell signal. So here in the awesome oscillator, we will wait for the formation of the first green bar. And when it happened, we can see the Heiken Ashi candle should be green. So we can open a buy trade here following the money management rule. Money management is a very important aspect of trading, so make sure you follow the rules strictly. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this indicator. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. So the rules for entering a sell trade, first of all, we'll wait for our indicator to give us a green triangle, just like it did here. For our strategy, we will consider it as a sell signal. So after we receive this signal, we'll confirm it using the awesome oscillator. In the case of a sell trade, after we get the signal, we will wait for the first red bar. When the red bar forms in the awesome oscillator, we check the Heiken Ashi candle. If it's also red, we will enter a sell position. The stop loss for sell trade will be placed above the previous swing high. The take profit target will be set at a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Here we can see we got a sell signal. And this signal is confirmed by the formation of a red bar and a red Heiken Ashi candle at the same time. So we could have also entered this trade here. This strategy is very accurate and can help you increase your account size exponentially. But the key is to follow strict money management rules. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.